Hi students, in today's video you are going to be creating a Turnitin account. For bigger writing assignments during this program, you'll be submitting them on Turnitin, and that will be where many of your portfolio creations are stored. So it's really important to set this up so that you can submit work successfully. So you'll see here this little picture has the enrollment code and the class ID for each class. So the first one, Writing in Lit 1, has this class ID. Writing in Lit, if you're in period 2, this is your class enrollment code and ID. And Writing in Lit 3, the same thing. So WAL just means Writing and Lit 3, and that's your class ID. So after you watch this video, you're going to create an account. So you are going to go to the Turnitin website. You might have an account from previous years, and if you do, then you can just log in right here. Otherwise, you'll be creating an account. So all users must have a user profile to use the service. Please select how you'll be using Turnitin. You'll be using it as a student. And so this is the part that I was talking about right here. For this bit, you'll want to include the class enrollment key. It asks for the ID and the enrollment key. So the ID is right here. I can't highlight that, but you see that's the ID number. And then the enrollment key is this 2021 WAL 1. Make sure you have the right case. These are all uppercase, and this is a number. So you'll use that enrollment key and that class ID. So you'll enter that information, and then you'll enter your first name and last name. This is my email address and password because I already have an account, but you'll want to go ahead and enter your ASD Connect email address there and a password that you're going to easily remember. Okay, so once you've set all of that up, then you will have to choose a secret question and you will have your answer, and then you'll just have to accept and agree. So that is everything that you need to create this new Turnitin account. And as I said, if you have an existing account, then you'll log in and you'll join the class using this information. Okay, so that is your assignment right now. And yeah, you'll be submitting something in the next video.